Dear friends, when we speak about Jesus Christ, the particular image comes to our mind, and that image helps us to connect ourselves with Christ. There are so many images of Jesus Christ. For example, a child in the manger, infant Jesus, good shepherd, or a merciful Jesus, or Jesus with the child, or Jesus knocking at the door, or Jesus praying in the Gethsemane, or Jesus on the cross, or resurrected Jesus. These are the different images of Jesus, and when we speak about Jesus, these images helps us to experience him, and these images tell us about the different personalities of Jesus. Today is the third Sunday of Lent, and on this Sunday we are presented with another image of Jesus, that is angry Jesus with the whip of cords. Jesus became angry because the temple that was meant for a place of worship, a place to sacrifice, a place to meet God or to have an experience of God, was turned to be a business center. So therefore Jesus was angry towards them, so he wanted to make it again a place suitable to worship, to come together and experience God. So this Jesus stands out against the what was normal practice of doing business. He pointed out their wrongdoings. He was courageous enough to speak out the truth. Dear friends, you and I are also called to stand out or speak out against the injustice, corruption, violence, and other evil things that is going on in and around our society. Is it possible for you and for me to speak out, to stand out? If we are at fault, we cannot do that. Therefore, Lent is given to us to retrospect, introspect, and repent, turn around, and then once again to begin to do good. Then we can be able to stand with Jesus to point out the evil that is in and around our society. Therefore, let us best make use of this Lent to repent, to change ourselves, so that we may continue the mission of Jesus to speak or voice out against the evil that goes around in our society. Thank you.